Hello students. So let us start in continuation of the working capital management. Today we are going to study about the approaches of working capital. Now before understanding what are the approaches of working capital, we should know that determining the finance mix is one of the important part of the working capital management. Under this decision of working capital, the relationship among the risk, return, and liquidity, these three are measured, and also which of financing is suitable to meet the working capital requirements of the business organization. So, we have to consider three basic approaches to determine what can be the appropriate or optimum working capital financing mix. So these three approaches are the hedging or matching approach, second is the conservative approach, and third is the aggressive approach. Now first let us throw light on the concept of hedging approach. Hedging approach says that it refers to a process of matching of debt with the financial need. So that is why this approach is also known as matching approach. It means that under this approach the business concern can adopt a financial plan which matches the financial need. Financial need means which matches the expected life of the assets with the expected life of the sources of funds which are required to raise those assets. And additionally we can say that when the business follows this approach, long-term finance is used to finance the fixed assets and permanent current assets, and short-term financing to finance the variable assets. Variable assets means the temporary assets. So this conceptually we can understand with the help of this diagram. This diagram shows how the hedging approach is used for determining the financing mix. We can observe that this red color curve shows the temporary working capital, and permanent working capital is depicted with the help of the line. So on the right hand side you can clearly observe that it is written that short term finance is used for financing the temporary working capital, whereas long term source of funds means debt as well as equity, they are used for financing the permanent working capital. Now coming to the second approach, that is the conservative approach. This approach says that the entire estimated finance in current assets should be financed from the long-term sources and the short-term sources of the funds. And especially the short-term sources should be used only for the emergency purposes or requirements, and this approach can also be called as low profit low risk approach. Now let us understand with the help of this diagram showing the conservative approach to asset financing. On the right hand side you can see that it is clearly written that long term sources like debt and equity capital, they are not only used for financing the permanent working capital but also somewhat for the temporary working capital. So temporary working capital can be financed through short term as well as from the long term sources. Third approach is the aggressive approach. Aggressive approach means that the entire estimated requirement of the current assets should be financed from the short term sources, and even a part of the fixed assets financing should be financed from the short term sources. Means the main focus from the funding is from the short term sources. So this approach makes the financing mix more risky, less costly, and more profitable. So let us see this approach from the help of the diagram, that short term debt as well as the long term debt. Short term debt means the short term source, long term debt means using the long term source. Means short term sources can be used for the permanent as well as for the temporary working capital financing. So this was all about understanding the three approaches which a firm can consider according to their nature and suitability of the organization. And consolidatedly, we can depict these three policies: conservative, moderate, and aggressive policy, in terms of this diagram as well. So I hope this one is clear to you.